Are you going to be traveling soon? Did you know you can set up a travel notice on your debit card within Ent's digital banking? To do so, click the Set Travel Notice quick link on your My Accounts page. You no longer have to visit a service center or call center. You can now do this on your own time. Select the Create New button. Type in your destination, your departure date, your return date, and a good contact phone number. Click Continue. Select the card that you will be traveling with and hit Continue. Now let's go over our travel plans. We have our destination, departure date, return date, contact number, and the card you're going with. Go ahead and click Confirm. On this screen, you'll be able to review your travel notice. You can show more and see the details, or show less if you choose to do so. You can also delete if you need to delete your travel notice. You can keep it or delete it. We're going to keep it. You can also create new travel notices if you're needing to do so if you have more trips planned. Thanks for using Ent's digital banking and for being an owner member.